This assessment asks us to determine if this hypothetical process is favored or disfavored given these parameters. Before we actually do the calculation, let's take a look at it qualitatively to get a sense of what we think the answer might be. This is a good tip whenever we're doing these types of problems. Looking at delta H is negative 15 kilocalories per mole. That on its own would be favorable. Delta S is positive 37 calories per mole. So first thing we'll need to do is convert that to kilocalories to do this equation. But a positive value for delta S would also be favorable. Given that delta H and delta S are both favorable, I would expect this process to be favorable. But let's go ahead and do the calculation just to be sure that our math matches our intuition. Delta G is equal to delta H, which is negative 15 kilocalories per mole, minus T delta S. T is 273 Kelvin. And delta S is positive 37 calories per mole, so we'll need to convert that into kilocalories per mole. 0.037 kilocalories per mole Kelvin. When we go through and do this math, we multiply those two together and do the subtraction, we find that delta G equals negative 25.10 kilocalories per mole. A negative value for delta G indicates that our intuition was correct. This process is favorable given these conditions.